Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best kids' fake nails is probably one of the most exciting ways for young fashionistas aged 10 to 12 to express their creativity and add a touch of sparkle to their look without the commitment or complexity of salon visits, offering a fun, temporary, and safe avenue for self-expression that's perfect for parties, playdates, or just a fabulous day at home. Number 5. Kids Rainbow Glitter Press-On Nails. Introduce your little one to the world of dazzling nail art with these fantastic press-on nails. They're designed specifically for kids, making playtime even more exciting. No messy glue needed. These nails come pre-glued, so applying them is a breeze. Simply press them on for instant glamour. Each set features beautiful glitter, gradient colors, and rainbow patterns. They offer full coverage for a complete and stylish look. With 120 pieces in 5 different packs, there are endless options for mixing and matching. Your child can create a new look every day or share with friends. These short, acrylic false nails are safe and comfortable for kids. They're the ideal nail art kit for little girls who love to express themselves. What we like? This set offers a dazzling array of glitter, gradient, and rainbow designs. Its pre-glued, full cover application makes it super easy for quick makeovers. If you like vibrant, diverse styles and hassle-free application, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to select points without source content. Number 4. SAVILAND 168 PCS 7-pack press-on nails for kids. Introducing a fantastic way for kids to express their creativity. These press-on nails are designed specifically for children, offering a simple and mess-free application. With 168 pieces across 7 different packs, there's a style for every mood and occasion. Your child will love exploring the variety of designs. Forget about messy glue. They come pre-glued for instant application and provide full coverage for a polished look. It's safe and easy for little hands. Each set features beautiful glitter, gradient colors, and star designs. These short acrylic tips add a touch of sparkle and fun to any outfit. Looking for a unique present? They make wonderful Christmas or Easter gifts for children aged 8 to 12. Give the gift of dazzling nail art. What we like? With a generous 168 pieces across 7 packs, this collection ensures you'll never run out of options. The star-themed glitter and gradient designs are perfect for special occasions. If you are looking for a substantial set that makes an ideal gift, this one stands out. What people say. Error: no product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per the instructions to quote from original content. Number 3. MayQueen Kids Fake Nails Kit. Introducing the perfect accessory for your little ones. This kit brings endless fun and creativity right to their fingertips. With 120 pieces across 5 vibrant packs, there are plenty of options for every mood and outfit. They can mix and match to create unique styles. These artificial nails are specially designed for kids, ensuring a comfortable and safe fit. They are easy for small hands to apply and remove. Each kit comes with 2 safe glues, making application simple and secure. They provide a full cover for a complete, polished look. Watch their faces light up with these adorable designs. They're perfect for playtime, parties, or just adding a touch of sparkle to their day. What we like? What sets this product apart is the inclusion of 2 different glues, offering versatility and extra security. The so cute designs are charming and appealing for younger users. If you value enhanced durability and options for application, you should consider this kit. What people say. Number 2. EBANKU Kids Press-On Nails. Introducing a delightful way for kids to express their style. These vibrant press-on nails are designed specifically for young fashionistas. With 144 pieces across 6 different packs, there's a design for every mood and occasion. Your child will love exploring the variety. Tailored for girls aged 7 to 12, they offer a safe and exciting beauty experience. It's a fantastic gift for birthdays or just for fun. No glue needed. Each nail comes with pre-adhesives, making application quick, clean, and super easy for little hands. These cute and colorful fake nails are a wonderful accessory. They provide a playful and safe way for children to enjoy manicures. Transform their look in minutes with these adorable nails. They're perfect for parties, playdates, or just adding a touch of sparkle to their day. What we like. This pack provides 144 pieces in 6 vibrant sets, ensuring plenty of colorful fun. The cute and bright designs are perfect for daily wear or playful events. If you like a wide variety of cheerful colors and simple press-on application, this set is for you. What people say. Number 1. Thrilez Children Press-On Nails Rainbow Sky. Give your child a magical manicure in minutes. These vibrant press-on nails are designed for easy application and removal. Crafted specifically for little hands, they feature a pre-glued, full-covered design. No messy glues or complicated steps are needed. Each set comes with 144 pieces in a stunning rainbow sky theme. Your child will love expressing their unique style with these colorful designs. Made from short acrylic, they are comfortable for everyday wear. These nails are perfect for parties, playdates, or just adding a touch of sparkle. Looking for a fun gift? This set is ideal for girls who love to decorate their nails. It encourages creativity and imaginative play. Simply press them onto clean nails for an instant transformation. They stay put during play and are gentle on natural nails. What we like. This set features a unique rainbow sky theme, offering a consistent and imaginative aesthetic. The pre-glued, full-cover tips make application effortless and secure. If you are looking for a specific, enchanting theme that's easy to apply, this product is an excellent pick. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.